Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Aftab Ishaq. I am a foundation of student at Rehan School, Islamabad, Barakah campus. So today I will become a new Maya AI session, Sarbaji. So let's start. Hello Sarah, can you hear me? Please speak in English. And my first question is, what is solar system?
Reflection of the sun, and everything is bound by the sun's gravity.
Okay. So what is center of solar system?
Exactly. The center, and it's the source of most of the energy that we get for life here on Earth.
Okay. So what is the sun made of?
Good question. And it's these gases that fuse in its core to produce all that light and heat.
Okay. So my next question is, how many planets are in solar system?
Good question. There are 8: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pluto used to be considered a planet, but now it's a dwarf planet.
Okay. So my next question is, what is smallest planet?
Good one. The smallest planet in our solar system is Mercury. It's really tiny compared to the others, and it's also close.
Okay. So what is largest planet?
Exactly. The largest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. It's absolutely massive, much bigger than all the other planets combined.
Okay. So my next question is, what position in Earth from the sun?
That's a really important question. Pollution in the Earth's atmosphere and even deforestation. Shall we address this?
Okay. So what is Mercury called the red planet?
That's because Mars has a reddish appearance. Its surface is covered in iron oxide.
Okay. So my next question is, what?
Great question. Mercury is closest to the sun, so it has a very short orbit. It only takes about 88 days to go around the sun once, which is why its year is so short.
Okay. My next question is, why is Jupiter so large?
Jupiter is so large because it formed very early in the solar system, growing and growing, making it the biggest planet by far.
Okay. My next question is, what are Saturn's ring made of?
Great question. Saturn is made up of countless small particles of ice and rock, and they range in sizes in tiny grains to bigger chunks. These rings are basically leftovers from when the planet formed or from captured objects.
Okay. What is Uranus tiled?
Ah, good question. A star is a huge ball of hot, glowing gas, mostly hydrogen and helium.
Okay. So my next question is, why is Neptune fastest planet?
Ah, exactly. This planet from the sun. It's the eighth one in the solar system after Uranus, and it's really cold and windy out there.
And the planet?
Life on Earth exists because we have just the right conditions: liquid water, a stable atmosphere, and a suitable temperature. Other planets don't have all of those conditions, so Earth is really special in that way.
Okay. So my next question is, why is water on Mars?
Good question. So, scientists believe there was once liquid water on Mars, and today most of it is frozen in the polar ice caps or hidden beneath the surface. But they're still studying to see if there was ever life there.
Okay. Why is Venus so hot?
Good question. So, planets form from disks of gas and dust around young stars. Over time, gravity pulls that material together, and they start to form into these round orbiting bodies that we see as planets.
Okay. So my next question is, how long are days and night on Mercury?
Actually lasts about 59 Earth days. But because it moves so quickly around the sun, its night and day cycle's really long. So a single day on Mercury is a pretty extended.
Okay. How many days does Jupiter?
Good question. Jupiter has a very fast rotation. It takes only about 10 hours for Jupiter to spin once on its axis, which is why it has a really short day compared to Earth.
Okay. So my next question is, how many moon? What Saturn largest moon?
Great question. Saturn's largest moon is Titan. It's actually bigger than the planet Mercury, and it's really fascinating because it has a thick atmosphere.
Okay. So my next question is, what is moon?
Good question. The moon is Earth's only natural satellite. They formed a long time ago, and it orbits around Earth, affecting things like tides and giving us that beautiful night sky.
Okay. So my next question is, what is Earth moon? What is big moon of Earth?
Earth's moon is about 1/4 the size of Earth. In other words, Earth is roughly 4 times bigger in diameter than the moon.
Okay. So my next question is, why is gravity weaker on the moon?
Great question. Gravity is weaker on the moon because it has less mass than Earth. The pull on the moon's surface is about 1/6 of Earth.
Okay. So what are the name of Jupiter moon?
Of course. If anything else comes, sure. Jupiter has a lot of moons, but the four biggest ones are called the Galilean moons:
Okay.
Io, Europa, Ganymede, and
Not on the moon.
Got it. Yes, Earth only has one natural moon, and that's the one we see in the night sky. Other planets have more, but Earth just has this one.
Okay. So my next question is there water on the moon?
Ah, good question. So, yes. yes, there is water on the moon, but mostly in the form of
Okay. My next question is why is moon floor?
at the poles, so it's not like rivers or lakes, but it's still
Question is why how far is moon from Earth?
ah, that's a great point. So Mars is farther from the sun, so it gets less sunlight. As a result, Mars is much colder, and its year is longer because it takes more time to orbit the sun.
Okay, what are asteroids? Please give me answer. Where is the asteroid belt located?
Of
I
course,
have an
I'm happy.
What? Sarah, please my question answer. What is comet? Sarah, can you hear me, please?
Ah, great question. A comet is a small icy.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, I can hear you perfectly. So just to finish that thought, comets are these icy bodies that come from the outer solar system. The ice vaporizes, forming that bright tail we see.
Okay. Why do comet have tail? Sarah, please give me answer my question. My question is why do comet tail? What is different between meteoroid and meteoroid? Please give me answer.
Ah, absolutely. So a comet's tail forms when the sun's heat vaporizes the ice, releasing gas and dust. A meteor is just a small space rock burning up in Earth's atmosphere. So it's a brief flash. Me-
Made of
Of course. I'm really glad I could help. If anything else comes up later, or you just want to ask more questions, feel free to stop by. Good luck with everything.
okay. So my next question is what is shooting star? Sarah, please can you give me answer. What are asteroids made of? Can an asteroid hit Earth?
Ah, good question. So, an asteroid is a small rocky object that orbits the sun, usually found in the asteroid belt. A meteor, on the other hand, is that same kind of rock, but when it enters Earth's atmosphere and burns up, we call it a meteor. If it survives and lands, then it's a meteorite.
Okay, so my next question is what are asteroids made of?
Ah, good question. So, asteroids are mostly made of rock and metal. Some have a little bit of carbon, but they're basically chunks of leftover material from the early solar system.
Okay, what are comets come from? Ancient dinosaur. Please give me.
So, like I mentioned, an asteroid is basically a rocky or metallic body that orbits the sun. It's bigger than a meteor, but smaller than a planet, and they're kind of like the building blocks left over from when the solar system formed.
Okay, my next question is what is what is space? Please give me answer. This question: how big is sun compared to Earth?
Of course. Ah, great question. The sun is absolutely massive. It's about 109 times wider than Earth, and you could fit around 1.3 million Earths inside the sun.
Okay, it comes from.
The sun is mainly made of hydrogen and helium. You're
Okay.
welcome. I'm really glad I could help. If anything else comes up, just let me know, and I'll be here.
Okay. Why is there no air space?
Yes, not a significant one. That's why there's no weather and why temperatures can be extreme there.
Okay. So my next question is what is or how to cool space?
Ah, good question. Space is cold because it's a vacuum, so there's no air to carry heat. Without an atmosphere, heat just escapes into space, making it really cold out there.
Okay. So my next question is how long does light take to travel from the sun earth?
Ah, great question. So, light from the sun takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. It's super fast, but it still takes just over 8 minutes to get here.
So my next question is what is sun explore?
Ah, sure. So, NASA stands for the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It's the US government agency that leads space exploration, research, and all these kinds of missions.
Okay. What is solar energy?
Ah, good question. Earth and a Mars sized object. The debris from that.
Okay. Who was the first person on the moon?
You're very welcome. I'm really glad I could help. If if you ever have more questions, just let me know.
Okay. What is Narcissus?
Of course. I'm really glad I could be here for you. Take care, and if you ever need more help, I'll be ready. See you next time.
Okay. How do rocket work?
Great question. So, a rocket works by expelling gas out of its engines at high speed. According to Newton's third law, that push in one direction propels the rocket forward.
So, is what is satellite?
Ah, body, like the Earth or another planet. It can be natural, like our moon, or man made, like communication satellites.
Okay. What is GPS? Okay. Yes, give me answer.
You're very welcome. I'm really glad I could help. If you ever have more questions,
Okay.
take
What does an astronaut do? What?
ah, great question. An astronaut is a person trained to travel
Okay. What is rocket fuel?
and work on missions like going to the ISS or beyond.
Right. So my next question is, how long do space mission last?
That's a great question. The length of a space mission can really vary. Some are just a few days, like a space shuttle mission, while others, like those to the ISS, can last months or even years for deep space missions.
Okay. Okay. So my next question is, what is gravity?
Great question. Gravity is the force that pulls objects toward each other. On Earth, it's what keeps us on the ground, and it's why things fall when we
Okay.
drop them.
What is Earth orbit the sun?
You're welcome. I'm really glad I could help. If you ever have more questions, just let me know. I'm here
Okay.
for you.
What is black hole? Please give me.
Great question. A black hole is a region in space.
Yeah, yeah.
Absolutely. So, a black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. They form when really massive stars collapse at the end of their life cycle.
Okay. So Mara, bye bye. So this was my time is over, and I hope you like it. See you in the next Maya. And Parisan Zindabad, Rehan School Zindabad is